everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and this is the first of many Spain vlogs. Now, as you can see, I'm still at home in St Albans. I am currently packing for Spain. I leave on Tuesday. It is currently Friday and I am going to be packing today, so I thought I would start off the vlogs here. So myself, my mum, my dad, my brother and his girlfriend Amy are all going to be going to our family villa in southern Spain, in Valencia. And we've been literally going there every single year since I think I was around like 3 years old. So like I've been going there pretty much my whole life, you know. So it really is like a second home. It's such a beautiful, beautiful villa and the view is just like I will show you guys, but honestly, that villa, that place, it's like paradise. It's like actual like a slice of paradise. It's like mentally, emotionally, especially in the past few months with the breakup, I just feel like I need a holiday, I need a reset, and this just couldn't come at a more perfect time, I think. So yes, today I am going to be packing for my holiday. I am so buzzing, and I have already faked tanned a few days before. I don't really know why I did this because I am going to be sitting in the sun, but I just kind of thought like, I don't want to rock up to Spain pasty white. Like, that's not a bit of me. Absolute rookie mistake. But I actually haven't bought any new clothes for this holiday because it was booked so last minute. I genuinely I haven't got any new bikinis or clothes, so I'm going off the ones that I have had for the past few years. But I am going to show you what I'm bringing just because why not? We all love to be a bit nosy sometimes. So my absolute favourite bikini that I have is this like pastel blue one. So it's like a thong. We love a thong. I've also got this really pretty white bikini. I feel like you can't go wrong with a white bikini, always giving you them sunned vibes. So I've finally got some clothes together. So I've picked out my favourite Topshop denim shorts. These are so comfortable, and actually because of the rips, they're actually really forgiving and they're not like that tight, which I really like. I've got my Zara crop tops. I've got these in 4 different colours. I've got like a pastel blue one as well, but I thought like this could be a really cute outfit maybe. I've also got more clubby tops. Like I know we're not going to obviously be going clubbing or bars really that much, but I kind of thought, you know what, you never know. So I've bought that as well. I've also got a few like cute summer dresses, so I thought this was really sweet, like a frolicking dress. And yeah, I've got loads of other things too. Okay, so it is now Tuesday the 21st of July and today we are going to Spain. I am so excited, I can't even contain myself. So my outfit is very much inspired by Ellie Derby. What do we think? My brother said I'm giving off prison convict vibes, but I think I look quite cute, you know. Very excited. I painted my nails white and I'm all packed. Look, I've got my little Diddy suitcase and all packed. Just charging up my iPad now. Got a few things for the plane. I've got myself a magazine. I've got myself a book. I've got my Tessellate beach towel, which I will show you when I'm actually in Spain, but love that. I'm honestly a little bit nervous to go to the airport, obviously because of the whole coronavirus situation. I'll definitely be showing you guys what it's like whilst I'm there, but truthfully I don't really know what I'm walking into. Like, we've got health forms and we know that they get scanned. We know we have to wear masks the whole time we're in the airport, and that's fine. But like, what does that actually mean? Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm just genuinely so excited to get away and get some headspace. I don't think I've ever needed a holiday more in my life. I feel like I keep saying that, but genuinely, I don't think I've ever needed a holiday more, or just needed a break from life more. So yes, that's what we're doing today. I'm so excited to get there and see Mum and Dad. They're already in Spain, and myself, Dan and Amy are going to get a flight today, and I'm so ready to say goodbye to England for a little while. Passport control, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a bit of a stressful experience. I mean, it's actually not that busy in this airport, but I don't know, it's a bit ominous vibes. Like most of the stuff isn't actually open, and we wanted to go to a bar for a drink, but the only place that's open is Pret. So got myself a caramel latte, got myself a little baguette and some crisps. So I mean, not going too bad. And we've got about, how many hours to our flight?
2.
Just uploaded this pic onto Instagram and I captioned it "Catch Flights, Not Feelings." High key relevant right now, but what do we think? I actually think it's a really cute picture. I don't know why, but this makes me so happy. Like, what do we think? I literally bought this jumper purely for the airport picture. Is that sad? Probably. Got onto the plane and we've changed our masks for these like medical masks, because basically, although these look cute, they're not as like good at protecting you from corona as these are. So we've got these on. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, these are actually really comfy. Yeah, they're better. They think. We are now in Spain. We landed last night and got in at around midnight and then had a few drinks. Ended up going to bed at around 2:30 in the morning. So needless to say, I'm a bit sleepy this morning. But we are here, it is sunny, and I'm going to give you a little tour of the villa and show you where we're staying. This villa we've actually had in our family since I was around 3 years old. So I've actually known this villa longer than I've known my house in St Albans, which is crazy to say. But I'm going to give you a little tour and show you what the situation is. Okay, so I'm going to start out by the front of the villa just so I can like fully show you everything. This is like a very rare occasion where everyone is actually out. So my mum and dad have gone to the garage to sort something out for their hire car they're using, and Dan and Amy have just gone on a walk around the mountain. So I thought, I'm home alone, I might as well make the most of this opportunity when it's all quiet and show you the villa. So yeah, we've got this really nice little seating area out the front with all of these plants. This is really nice for lunches, and like especially when we come here in autumn, this is actually a really nice area to get some shade from the sun when it gets a bit intense. And yeah, we have all of this growth here. My grandma actually, my grandma and granddad actually designed all of this garden and put it all in, and I honestly think it's so beautiful. These seashells are actually seashells that I collected when I was 3 years old, so genuinely these have been here as long as I've been living here, which is crazy, since I was 3 years old. Insane. Although look how pretty some of these look like. And then over here we've got some massive aloe vera plants. My aloe vera could never. Then we've got some steps that actually lead down to the pool, but I'm going to show you that in a minute. I'm going to walk in through the front first. Okay, so as you go through the front door, this is what the living room looks like. It's currently kind of dark in here because the sun has gone in, but I'm sure you get the gist. So over here we have a really cute little seating area. We more use this in the autumn and winter when the sun isn't out. Obviously when the sun's out we want to sit outside, but I still think this is a really cute little area. And then we have a little seating area. We've got a sofa, we've got 2 little armchairs and a TV. My mum actually stole my Apple TV from me last year, and so we can watch Netflix here, but yeah, that's here, so that's good if you want to watch a film or catch up on Love Island or something. We've got a little coffee table with a load of fruit and a melon. We've also got our little drinks cart over here, so we've got some gin, we've got some Malibu, we've got some amaretto over there, we've got the whole lot You know how it is on holiday. You got to drink on holiday, do you know what I mean? And then as you leave the living room, you go into the corridor. There's a mirror at the end of the corridor I'm going to show you properly in a moment. But first of all, we have this beautiful painting. I think this is absolutely insane. I've always loved this so much. And yeah, like I said, this painting has literally been here since I've been 3 years old, so crazy. And then we've got this little kitchen area. We've got this little breakfast bar situation, and also, by the way, this is not a pack of cigarettes, it's a pack of playing cards before anyone says anything. Obviously we've got a sink. I'm just in the middle of doing the washing up, so don't mind that. And yeah, we've got like a cute little kitchen and all the essentials, a fully stocked fridge. Buzzing about that, and yeah, you can't really go wrong. So then as you go through the corridor, this is Dan and Amy's room. This is actually usually my room when we stay here, but obviously because Dan and Amy are with us this year, I'm staying in the other spare room because this room's slightly bigger. But yeah, how beautiful is this room? It's got like 2 side tables and a cute little mirror. Again, we love a mirror. And it's also got a really nice breeze here, and obviously you can see the view, which is amazing. And then this is our main bathrooms. Obviously you've got a toilet, but you've also got like a double shower. Now honestly, I don't know why there is a double shower in here. Have to be honest, I don't know what that's about. But we don't talk about it. I'm not sure why that's there, but there we go. And then this is my mum and dad's room. So they have a cute little ensuite over here, which is actually a really good place for pics. Like I just took an Instagram picture for my story and I was like, oh my god, the lighting, yes. And again, this room backs off onto the view, which I think is so sweet. And then finally, we got my room. So my room actually backs off until the front, so it's not got the beautiful view, but that's okay, you know how it is. Instead of a wardrobe, I've got this thing that hangs up all my clothes on, although to be honest, it's kind of good because I can see all the outfits that I want to wear and like everything that I want to piece together for outfit pics and stuff. I've got 2 bedside tables. I've got this really cute little lamp, really good for reading. I've got this mirror. Now I'm going to show you the pool area. Obviously the favourite area, the area that we spend the most time in. So as you walk out the back of the doors, we have this cute little seating area. This is where we mainly eat all of our lunches and breakfast and a cup of coffee in the morning. And then it backs off onto this beautiful view. Now I can show you it properly. It is just, I mean, honestly, the camera probably doesn't do it justice, but how insane is this? And this is our private pool, which is honestly the best part of the villa, I have to admit. Sun lounge is here. This is definitely where I will be getting my tan on. We've got another little table here. This is where we have like barbecues and stuff. A little shaded area in case you want to chill out and read a book. We've also got an outdoor shower. We mainly use this to wash sun cream off before we get in the pool because something to do with chlorine levels, I don't really know. Yeah, this is the pool area, really, really cute. Honestly, some of the best views in the whole villa are here. So this bit is what I like to call my secret little area because it's like a little hidden table underneath the villa. And honestly, I think it has like one of the best views. Yeah, so this is the little seating area. And this is where I'm going to be doing lots and lots of vlogging, and this is where I'm going to be doing my journaling and catching up on any editing I need to do, replying to comments, emails, that kind of thing. I just think this area is really, really peaceful and really, really quiet, and it's a really good place to get away if you need, you know, some time on your own. I am actually going to wrap this vlog up here just because I feel like it's already long enough, but I will be doing more Spain vlogs, don't you worry, this is not the end. I think I'm gonna literally do like 4 or 5 more vlogs whilst I'm here, so don't worry about it. I will show you everything that we get up to. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then my handle is @ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is @ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!